Welcome back. Daniel Parsons here, 24th of December, 2024. Merry Christmas to everyone. And God bless whatever holiday it is that you are celebrating. I understand from Newsmax that Hanukkah is actually starting tomorrow on Christmas Day. So that doesn't happen often that Hanukkah coincides with Christmas Day. So I want to go quickly on screen share and show you the Team Nutra products that are launching, 3 of them, and the products that are going to be launching, 3 of them. They are very in demand products for this time of the year that we're approaching here, the new year. And many people make resolutions to start having a better lifestyle, a better diet, watching what they're eating. And so this Slim NRG weight loss management, it has equivalent amount of caffeine as 1 cup of coffee. And so it's recommended take one first thing in the morning after you I know my morning routine, we drink some warm lemon water to help our body start to cleanse and detox. And so I want to take this personally early in the day, very early, like 5:30 in the morning. And then if you want to take that second one, I highly recommend that you get it in around 1:30 in the afternoon. Some people, they have a little bit of trouble with caffeine as far as sleep, and some people don't. Everybody's physiologically different. And so I know people that can drink coffee at night and go right to sleep. My mother-in-law, she drinks green tea, which has a small amount of caffeine in it, and then she can go right to bed. But so the other product that I want to show you, there's 2 more, is this Slim Detox. Okay, so let me make sure the Slim NRG is minimized there and go back to the Slim Detox. Okay, the Slim Detox is a daily toxin eliminator. And so you would take one of these in the morning and then one with your evening tea or whatever it is you take in the evening. And so this will help cleanse the body. It's very good quality products. All of these Team Nutra people sharing products. And then the last product I want to show you is the Nutra Blast. Okay. And so let me go back on Nutra Blast there. And so you'll take 1 scoop of this with your water or juice in the morning, and it has moringa and a whole bunch of other superfoods. And so this is giving your body all the daily nutrients it needs and a 28-day supply. And so that 1 scoop has 5.4 grams. And so the container is 151.2 grams. So that's 28-day supply. So all of the Team Nutra products are made in the USA, and they're in FDA approved good manufacturing practices standards. And so they meet all of that. And so I want to go off of screen share and share with you quickly. You can go to itsbetterfood.com. And so I own that domain name. I'm building that website. I'm putting all of these products on there. All of the ingredients will be listed. The product labels will be on there. And so you can also contact me on there. I have a link that goes to my myteamnutra.com/Daniel. And that is my site that you can order product from. And so if you want to join and do what I'm doing, I'm a independent contractor, and I am a front line to the corporate office. And so it's my job to provide you with customer service and help you with orders, help you if something happens. I mean, I've been in the wellness field since 2005. I've seen all kinds of strange things happen. And so that's what I'm here for. And so please don't pitch me other opportunities. I'm actually slowly getting out of the network marketing industry, and I'm concentrating on this because this is something that gives us a steady income through affiliate marketing. I'm not an employee of Team Nutra, and I want to go ahead and give my FDA disclaimer. And so these products are not intended to treat, cure, diagnose, or prevent any disease or illness. Please consult with your medical professional with any of your wellness or healthcare concerns. And so I'm not a doctor. I'm a business and economics major, graduated 3.75 or 3.8. I don't remember exactly, but pretty high honors, Washington State University, a long time ago. So anyway, I'm grateful to be able to help you on your wellness journey. I myself was able to overcome some serious medical conditions through the use of nutraceutical wellness and holistic means. And so I also exercise. I also watch what I eat a high fiber diet, fruits in the morning, vegetables at dinner time, and then a light supper. My wife makes some organic homemade bread, and we have some avocado, which is really fresh down here in Chile. And so God bless you. Merry Christmas. And that's the overview of the products that are starting. And then in 3 more months, these will be available the 3rd of January, 2025. And then in 3 more months, some new products will be released by the company. So that's it for the Team Nutra product update. Bye for now.